Hello, welcome back, I'm Ari.
I'm Rebecca. Welcome to Perfect Power live streaming.
So the one we are going to unboxing is the model MIG-180P, which belongs in the 3-in-1 family.
Yes, 3-in-1 means MIG, TIG, MMA welding combined and included with one welder.
Okay, so let's check what's inside the box.
Okay, at first we just open it.
Okay, so we can see when you get our machine MIG-180, they are let's take the accessories first. We have the mask,
and the gas hose.
The MIG torch, and the brush and hand. Okay, we have the MA electrode holder and the ground cable with clamp.
Also, here is the menu.
Yeah, the user menu. Also, we have the gas hose clamp
included with the menu, so you can find it easily.
Okay, so let's show the machine. So we can see it's been packed very well.
The 3-in-1 family included with 160, and also we have for MIG 200, also 140 and 180.
Yes, so we will just show you one by one. So let's from the intra product,
yes.
MIG 160.
This one MIG 160 is very light. It's about 10 kilogram only, so it's very easy to take away for your demand.
Yeah, it's portable and very good for the DIY
yes.
welding jobs.
So as we know, because we just introduced the 3-in-1, so it can be used for different applications, such as you can use it for the maintenance and the repair locations.
Okay, because the 3-in-1 means 3 different welding process.
Yes.
Which is gas, MIG, gasless flux cold wire welding.
Yes.
And the lift TIG.
Yeah, and you can use it for the vehicle repairing shops to weld the walls and the windows, and also to work for farms and ranches. Wow. So both indoor or outdoor can use this welding machine.
Oh yes. So it can. So this is just we mentioned where can you use.
Yes.
And also the material you can use is such as carbon steel.
Yeah.
And the stainless steel and aluminum, because we have different the specific function from this range.
Yes. Okay. So we can introduce from the panel to see how is it easy to use for the new users.
Okay.
Yeah.
So please follow us to show. Okay, just as mentioned, it's the interest product when you are willing to get a MIG welder for DIY jobs. So we can see for the control panel is very simplified. So you can see here to choose different welding process.
Yes, to choose MIG function, MA function, and also the lift flux cord just by this button.
Yeah, and from the control panel you can see this welding machine works with the 0.8 diameter wire, the welding wire. And when you choose the MIG welding, you can adjust the current by this rotator knob. And for the voltage, you just need to adjust slightly just during the welding. And for MA and the lift TIG, it's the same to adjust the current. We can see the maximum output current for the MIG and the TIG is 160 for this machine.
Yeah.
And for MA is 140 amps.
Okay. So it's very easy to use. Just choose the function which you need and to adjust the currency and the voltage.
Yeah, and then just get all the accessories and the wire done. Then you can start the welding. And here we would like to share some info. When you are doing the gasless wire welding, please remember to connect this on the negative port. And when you are doing MIG, you need to connect it to the positive port. And also the MIG torch with the Euro connection. Yeah. So we just mentioned this machine is going to weld with wire, and it works with 1 kg welding wire and 5 kg wire spool. So just get everything ready. And then our engineer, Mr. Chen, will show the welding demonstration of this model. It's very easy to use, and you can just follow our user manual to do the welding job.
Yes, it's very easy to use, and it's light to use for different applications. It's very popular in our company because many customers are looking for this kind of welding machine, because many customers are looking for welders for their home use, the DIY market. Yes,
it was the large demand of this kind of simple MIG welders. And besides the 160 we are talking about here, we also have the MIG 140 with output current of 140 amps.
And 180 and 200.
Okay, now let's start the introduction of the MIG 200, which we will specially and specific to introduce because it was very smart function. Yeah, so please follow us to check the control panel first. So let's check the control panel. From here we can see a multifunction welders with the MIG mag, gasless flux cord winding, MA, and the lift TIG function. Just adjust when you press the button. And when you are doing the MIG mag welding, here we can choose the amps and the thickness, which means when you adjust the thickness, the voltage will match automatically.
Also, it's important because it will match automatically, so we don't need to remember which voltage for which thickness.
And it's very, it saves a lot of time of the welders.
That's right.
because you know, when you're not sure which wattage you need for which kind of thickness, then you don't have to consider about this.
So it's very smart.
Yeah, and it's very, simple for the users. So here we mentioned when you choose the amps, right?
Yes.
When you adjust the amps, the voltage will also match automatically. You will see. So this all based on the synergic function.
Okay.
Yeah, for the synergic function, which means you only need to adjust one data, such as amps or thickness, the voltage will match automatically. And also here, for this MIG-200, it can work with 3 different diameter wire, and 0.6, 0.8, and 1.0. Choose the one when you use the welding wire.
Okay.
Yeah. And also here we have the
2T and 4T available.
Yes. So
that's what some customer concerned about.
Yeah.
Because some welding machine not with both.
It's just for wide application.
Yes.
Choose the one according to your welding jobs.
Okay. So it's a little different to the MIG-160, but the function is nearly the same. More function.
Yeah, and it's more function because for the output current 200 amps, which covers the large demand and application in the market.
Okay.
Yeah, so it will with more functions. Also the MIG torch is with the Euro connection, and we have the negative and positive pole when doing welding the flux called wire welding.
Yes, and all the accessories are the same.
Yeah, the accessories are
1 kilogram and 5 kilograms ball gun.
For the wire ball.
Yeah.
You will see here. Okay, and all the accessories are ready. Then you just get the one and get all accessories. Then this is work with single phase and 220 voltages.
Okay.
Yeah. This 3-in-1 family, we have actually 3 different options. One is a very simple, easy MIG welder, just as the MIG-160 we mentioned, and the one with cylindric function, this one, MIG-200. And we also have the MIG welders with pulse function, and the one coming next is Mig-180P. Okay, so this is the Mig-180P.
Yeah.
The MIG welder with pulse function for aluminum welding.
Okay.
Let's check how the control panel works.
Okay.
How it's different from the MIG-160 and the MIG-200P. We can see the control panel is, the design is a little bit different. Let's from the left side, we can choose different welding process. We can see the same as the multifunction welder. You can choose MIG and the MIG synergic, MA and the lift TIG. Also, we have the MIG aluminum and for different gas requirements. Here you can we can see you can use a welding wire from 0.6 to 1.0 millimeters. Choose the welding. Okay, choose the one based on the wire you use. And also we have the 2T and the 40 function as well for this machine. When you are done all the selection of the functions and the diameter of the welding wire and the operation way of the MIG torch, you can choose to adjust the amps the output welding current, you are going to do the welding job, and the voltage by the 2 rotary rods. So this one, the special is it can do the welding of aluminum. So not all the MIG weldings can do the aluminum fabrication. If you have this requirement of aluminum application, we will suggest this model to you. Okay, it also works with 1 kg and 5 kg wire spoon, the built-in wire filter. As a DIY type of the welding machines, it's also portable for the users. So we are going to mention is can do the aluminum fabrication, and we're going to show you some welding effects which are done by this machine, such as this one. You will see the welding is very smooth, and the welding beam is very clean, which shows the welding quality is good. See one more. So if you want to get to know how to get at the same welding effects as this, please contact our sales team to get the user manual to get the welding data. Okay, so that's
we can make a conclusion of the features. This MIG-160 and MIG-200, the features.
Yeah, and also as well as the Mig-180P, which just show at us.
Multifunction welder operates with MIG Max, MMA, lift TIG, and gasless flux cold wire welding.
Yes, so one welding machine, no matter can do the DIY works or small light industry works, this will be a good choice.
Yeah, and it's equipped with 1 kilogram and 5 kilogram wire spool.
Yes, and so we can see it's very easy set up according to the control panel demonstration we just showed.
Yes, and from the design, it's very light and compact to use, so you can take it anywhere you want.
Yes, so for the whole family, we actually have nearly 10 models. So if you want to know more our products or this range or even our company, you can check via our official website www.perfectwelders.com or searching us
the keyword perfect power welder on Alibaba, and you can find us to get more information about our product and our company.
Yeah, so don't forget the promotion discount of all models are waiting for you. Please contact our sales team. That's all about the MIG-160 family.
Thanks for your watching.